Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh Panyam. Welcome back to my weekend talks. Today I am going to explain what is the compound effect, how it is useful for us to change and shape our life. Let's see. First of all, let me tell you what is compound effect. The compound effect is based on the principle that decisions shape your destiny. Little everyday decisions that we take will either take you to the life you desire or to disaster by default. So, we need to be very careful before taking decisions. To understand this, let me explain by taking the examples. Let us understand the impact of compound effect and the end results of a student. Dear students, let's see how the compound effect can change your life. Small changes that we make in our day-to-day life give us wonderful end results. To build a successful career, a student must be willing to face the challenges and must change his habits and routines. Compound effect is the result of small changes that we make in our lives and the right decisions that we take and work on consistently until goals are reached. To understand the compound effect, let us see the journey of three students at their plus 2 level. Three students, Suresh, Ramesh, and Naresh, joined a college after completion of their 10th class. All the three wanted to get into a good college for their graduation by clearing competitive exams like NEET or JEE Mains. When they joined the college, all the three had the same capabilities and same learning habits. After a few weeks in college, they realized that to crack entrance exams, they really need to work smart. Then, how did they change their habits and who succeeded in their plus 2 level? Let's see one by one. Suresh identified his strengths and weaknesses. He used to play a lot of video games with friends and he was active on all social media platforms and used to spend less time with his siblings and never read the daily newspaper. He was never comfortable talking to his teachers in school and no goals and no plans for his future career. Then see how he changed his life by changing his habits. He decided to change his habits and daily routines. He was away from all the social media platforms. Instead of playing video games, he started focusing on subjects and attended some tuition classes to strengthen his areas of weaknesses. He made a point to read the newspaper daily for 10 minutes. In the newspaper, he read about many successful people and got inspired by them. He started completing small tasks and improved his concentration. He started playing some outdoor games with his siblings and started sharing his problems with his parents. He started talking to his teachers and completed all his assignments on time. As a result, his teachers started encouraging him and helped him to score better marks in the exams, which in turn increased his confidence. He could see drastic changes in his habits and results. And because of this, he continued working on small daily improvements for the rest of his time and finally got a seat in IIT Mumbai. See how Suresh achieved his goal just by changing his routines and habits. Now let's see what did Ramesh done. Ramesh also realized that getting into a good college is not an easy task. But he didn't change his old habits. He continued playing video games with his friends and always submitted assignments late. He was not involved in the learning process, never focused on his weak areas. He continued to study the same way as he did in 10th class. He did not find any drastic changes in his grades. He continued the same habits for the rest of the 2 years in college. He didn't qualify for entrance exams and hence he didn't get a seat in any good college, and at last he joined in a local college which was not so popular. Now let's see what happened to Naresh. Naresh also realized the same, but he did nothing to change his old habits. Instead, he started to spend more time on social media and playing more video games with new friends. He forgot about his goals and ambitions. He avoided his teachers and never participated in the learning process. He never submitted his assignments and had excuses for everything. He lost interest in studies and socialized with friends having no ambition and got into a lot of bad habits. After 2 years, he failed in board exams and he could not clear any entrance exams. See how Suresh able to achieve what he wanted by changing his habits and routines. And why Naresh couldn't do it? Because he didn't change his habits and routine. He continued the same old habits and he learned some new bad habits. Because of that, he couldn't succeed at +2 level. So from these 3 examples, it is clear that the right decisions at the right time shape your destiny. So dear students, understand the importance of the compound effect. Small changes that we make in our day-to-day life will yield excellent results over a period of time. You will never notice changes immediately. It will take time to reap the fruits of your efforts. But small adjustments you make over a period of time will change your life completely. Whatever goal in life is. Through consistent efforts, success may be delayed, but it is never denied. You alone are responsible for your life. Whether you make it or break it, it's all depends on you. To get the desired results, change your habits and practice them daily. Small changes that you make over a period of time will inch you close to success and the desired outcomes. Taking the right decisions at the right time will give you the right results. I hope you all understood the effect of the compound effect. Thanks for listening. If you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. For more updates, please click the bell icon. I wish you a wonderful success in the years to come. Thanks for listening.